Tutorial how to do this cool paper effect in just very simple steps.
The future engineers knew exactly what they were doing.
First, go to this website and type in a mixed or random word. Let the video generate, then download it to your device. Now open CapCut and import the video. Tap on Adjust, then go to Graphs. Change every graph so it's flipped the opposite way. Make sure each curve is reversed, just like I'm showing you. Next, go to Sound Effects and search for Shutter. Add the sound where it fits best. Finally, you can add some cool effects to make the video look even better. Tutorial on this Kamali effect. Drop your clips onto the timeline. Set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Add 2 keyframes at the start and end. On the end keyframe, zoom in. Then duplicate the clip and reverse it. On the first clip, apply the ease out graph. On the duplicated clip, apply the ease in graph. Repeat the same process for all clips. Check the final result. Tutorial on this trend style. At first, freeze your clip. Cut it like me. Go to Adjust and Saturation -50. Now add Rebound Swing Effect. Object All Video. Adjust it to 30, 20, 15. Now add Wide Angle Effect. Object All Video. Add a key at start and last key to 0. Go to Overlay and take screenshots. Splice to filter. Add a key like me, zoom in on first key and zoom out on last key. Draft cubic out. Now overlay a red background from library. Cut it in mid of 2 clips. Splice to dark. Add a key in middle first and last key to 0. Now check results. Add your background and song. Go to the song and add beats. Add your first character freeze frame. Remove its background and adjust its position. Add a keyframe at the start and another on the ending beat. Go to the starting keyframe and move it downward a little. Rotate it slightly and zoom in. Use a custom graph. Add the second freeze frame. Go to Ratio and select 3:4. Adjust its size and position and place it on the top right side. Apply the same steps to the remaining freeze frames as well and make sure all their positions are different. Adjust the duration according to the beats. Cut and delete the extra parts. Select the first freeze frame, go to Layer, and move it to the top. Add 1 keyframe at the start and another at the end. Go to the starting keyframe, zoom in, move it to the right side, and rotate it to -5%. Apply the same steps to the remaining freeze frames too, and make sure to move each one differently. Use a custom graph and apply it to all freeze frames. Go to the first freeze frame. Open Background Remove, go to Stroke, and select the luminous white color. Adjust it to 12% and 100%. Go to Effects and select Play Pendulum. Keep its duration the same as the timeline. Adjust it to 20%, 20%, and 0%. Add a white overlay. Go to Mask and select Mirror. Reduce its size, increase the feather as much as you want, and rotate it to 54 degrees. Move it toward the bottom corner. Add 1 keyframe at the start and another at the end, then move it to the top corner.